Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix your keeps overheating on non 60 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system, reset phone and reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so click on settings app. Now in setting, click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, the last solution is restart phone. Just click and hold side power button. Click on restart. Again click on this restart icon. You will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.